In this video, we will discuss enabling the Auto Dry feature on a QuietCore Plus compressor. The Auto Dry feature automatically purges any moisture from the compressor's dryer at a set time each day. The best time to run this cycle is in the morning before the practice opens. Begin by pressing the menu button. Scroll down to Settings. Press Select. Then scroll down to Auto Dry Time. Press Select. Use up and down buttons to set the start time. Press Next to move from the hour to minutes. Once the time is set, press Next, then Accept to save the setting. To enable the Auto Dry feature, scroll down to Auto Dry. Press Select. Scroll to On. Lastly, press Select to save the setting. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.